Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable restriction settings on Roblox. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in roblox.com and press enter. This will now take you into the Roblox website. If you haven't logged into your account already, you will see a sign in button at the top right corner. You can click on this and enter your credentials to log in. Once you have been logged in order to change your restriction settings, click on the gear icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings. Now within the settings page, click on Parental Controls and this will take you into the Parental Controls menu. You can set up a PIN if you wish by clicking on the Parent PIN option and the toggle button at the right side, and then you will be asked to create a 4-digit PIN and then confirm it in order to save your settings. Now within the allowed experience, you can choose your age range, depending on suitable for all ages, suitable for 9 years and older, 13 and older, as well as 17 and older. You can change your restriction settings based on your preference, and now your settings will be applied immediately. If you wish to turn this setting off, you can click on the toggle button underneath Parent PIN, and this will be turned off right away. And you can change your allowed experience at any time as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your restriction settings and turn them off and on within Roblox. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.